Questions to ask before hiring an EV charger contractor. The EV charger is a device that converts electricity from the grid into a usable energy source for your electric vehicle. It's the most important part of any electric car conversion because, without it, you can't run your car on electricity alone. There are many different types of chargers available, but which one should you choose? Here are 7 questions to ask before hiring an EV charger contractor. 1. What is the voltage and amperage that the charger will accept? The voltage is measured in volts, and the amperage is measured in amps. Most electric vehicles require at least a 120 volts charging system. If you plan to use a 240 volts charger, you'll need to install a step-up transformer. You'll also need to know how much current your vehicle draws. This can be found by looking at the manufacturer's datasheet or by measuring the current draw when the car is running normally. 2. How much energy does the charger deliver? The amount of energy delivered depends on the type of charger, the size of the battery pack, and the size of the vehicle. Some chargers have 2 levels of charge, so they can deliver more energy than other chargers. Also, some chargers are designed to provide power only during times of peak demand, while others are designed to provide power 24 hours a day. 3. How long does it take to charge my car? The answer to this question depends on the type of charger. A fast charger takes less time than a slow charger. The faster the charger, the more powerful it is. If you're going to install a new charger, make sure you know what kind of charger you need. 4. What happens if the charger fails? There are several things that can go wrong with an EV charger. First, the cable could break. Second, the charger itself could fail. Third, there could be a problem with the wiring. Finally, the plug could be damaged. These problems can be avoided by having the charger inspected by a professional. 5. What is the warranty on the charger? If you want a charger that will last a long time, make sure you get a warranty that covers the whole unit. You'll also want to find out what happens if the charger breaks down. For example, do you get a replacement? Will you have to pay shipping charges? 6. Is the installation easy? When you buy a new charger, it usually comes with a detailed manual. Read the manual and make sure that you understand how to install it. Also, find out whether you need to use special tools to install it. Some units require that you drill holes in the wall, and others require that you use a screwdriver. 7. Does the charger come with a warranty? If you're planning to buy a new charger, make sure that you get a warranty that covers all parts of the unit. For example, if the cable breaks, you'll need to replace it. Also, make sure that the warranty covers any damage that might occur during installation. For more information about EV charger installer in Pittsburgh, PA, contact our friendly staff at 412-668-1256, and schedule a free estimate today.